Hey, what's up? If you're looking for a high-end gaming desktop that delivers serious power without the hassle of building one yourself, this is something you'll want to check out. This is the MSI Aegis ZS2 C9 NVIDIA gaming PC, and it's built to handle modern gaming, streaming, and heavy workloads without breaking a sweat. The design immediately gives off that gaming vibe, but it's not over the top. You get a sleek chassis with subtle lighting that adds personality without being distracting. It's clean enough for a desk setup, but still feels like a proper gaming machine. The airflow design is also well thought out, which matters a lot when you're running powerful hardware for long sessions. Now let's talk performance, because that's really the main reason to consider this system. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor, clocked at 3.8 GHz, and this chip is built for speed and efficiency. Gaming feels smooth, multitasking is effortless, and even demanding tasks like streaming or editing don't slow things down. It's a strong balance between gaming performance and productivity. Graphics are where this PC really stands out. It comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16 GB of DDR5 memory, which puts it in the top tier of modern GPUs. You're looking at ultra settings in most games, high frame rates, and support for advanced features like ray tracing and AI-enhanced visuals. Whether it's fast-paced competitive titles or visually rich open-world games, everything looks sharp and fluid. The 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz adds another layer of performance. It ensures fast response times and smooth operation even when you're running multiple heavy applications. You can easily game while streaming, keep multiple tabs open, or run creative software without noticing any slowdown. Storage is handled by a 2 TB solid-state drive, which is exactly what you want in a modern system. Boot times are quick, games load fast, and there's plenty of room for a large library of titles, media files, and software. It's all about speed and convenience. When it comes to real-world usage, everything just feels responsive. From launching games to switching between apps, the system keeps up without hesitation. It's designed to deliver consistent performance, even during extended gaming sessions. Cooling is another area where this system does well. The internal layout and airflow help maintain stable temperatures, so performance stays reliable over time. That means you can push the system without worrying about overheating or performance drops. This PC is ideal for gamers who want top-tier performance right out of the box. It's also a great option for content creators who need a powerful machine for video editing, rendering, and streaming. It's built to handle current demands and stay relevant for years. If you're planning to upgrade your setup and want something powerful, fast, and ready to go, this is definitely worth considering. You can check out more details and grab yours through the link in the description.